medical tourism is being there, what are the best countries, which are the hospitals, what is the experience of the doctor, how are you going to get the visa, where you have already finalized where you want to come. If you are seeing this video, you fall into those three categories. Either you are a patient or a caregiver, or you're a medical agent, tourism agent, or you're in hospital trying to understand more information and showing your hospitals to the patients. Just ignore the background music. I'm quarantined in home, I have my baby, so please excuse me for that. Okay, so I realized the reason I'm making out this video to understand 5 critical questions or 5 critical points to consider before even you try to make a move for medical treatment. I was speaking with 4 family of Bangladesh and Africa combined, and I realized medical tourism is being there for a long period, for 2 or 3 decades, and people kind of don't understand the funnel or don't understand the critical points that are needed to make the medical treatment maybe outside of the country. Point number 1, you need to understand the disease which you are infected or affected. Is that disease, can that be cured in your local country? If not, what are the best countries that are suitable to cater to your medical treatment? Point number 2, there are a lot of countries who cater to medical treatment, and you need to understand which are the top 4 or top 5 of the countries in below parameters. The number 1 point is the cost. The second thing is the quality of infrastructure, the quality of the facility, the doctors available, the accreditation of the doctors, the technologies, the devices that are used, and the regenerative therapies or new advancement of the innovations of therapies or treatment that can be taken care of. The third point, and the very critical point, after you decide which country is best for you, for your needs, for your medical treatment, you need to understand which are the hospitals that are the best for you. Remember, it is your human body. You need to understand every human body is different. This is the point where your near and dear ones, also your relatives, also the medical tourism guys will try to monopolize you, will try to tell you this is the best hospital, this is the best hospital, or someone would have had a similar experience in those hospitals. Remember one thing, every human body is different, so you need to do your own research and development to understand where you should focus. We are now in the 4th point. So this is again a point which is very close to the point number 3. Here you try and understand which doctors or which hospitals are those who can help you out. Meaning, is the doctor has those specific accreditation? What is the experience of the doctor? Has he treated something similar to what you are infected? What is the quality of facility of the hospital, the mortality rate, the success rate, what are the infrastructure they have, what are the devices they have, what are people saying about it, is there any video cast or any session or any engagement with the doctors or any other company which they do, is the doctor speaking about? This is a very critical things where you are planning, where your planning stage is almost close to decide. Fifth point, and I would also like to give you 2 more extra bonus points so that you are well set up, your medical treatment journey is being taken care of. The fifth point is basically you have made your decision here, you're planning to go to this hospital, this doctor. The next thing, how are you going to get the visa? Where are you going to stay? In case of surgery, there will be few days where you need to spend in the hospital. What about after that? What are the food, all those things, the money transfers, the US dollars or maybe your local currencies to Indian rupees, or the common transactions amount. So those are the critical questions. So these are the critical questions you need to understand, and the flight tickets and all are. This is basically the step where you have already finalized where you want to come. The last 2 points, given the current situations of the world, wherever you go, few social political things are happening, which is good, which is bad. So you need to really understand which place are you traveling. If you're coming to India, you need to understand if you're going to north, if you're going to south, how is the culture there, how is the food there, is it safe for you to stay, how is the weather, what are the various things that you need. If you're coming for an outpatient, what are the various way of transportations, various ways of fooding. All those things you need to understand. The last point is also a strong point, because here you need to understand that which are those facilities or doctors who have a continuation with you post you return to your country. Is there any engagement between you and the doctor where you have got the treatment? So that's where that's a critical point again, because you also need to be in touch with your doctor who has operated you or who has diagnosed you. So you need to have a continuation with him. So it is a post follow-up thing which you need to do. So these are the basically 7 points that are very much needed if you are planning to do a medical treatment outside of your country. So guys, how Enkel is different. If you look into the point number 3, the point which is very critical in making your planning for a medical treatment outside of your country. So Enkel comes into the play because Enkel does its own video cast and webcast with the doctors. It asks doctors about a specific, for example, if you are a neuro patient, it asks about the neuro patient to the doctor. It asks specific examples of the patient cases or the history of the patient that he has treated, how better it can be managed, the success rate, what are the various advancements happening. So we are also making sure that the questions that we get from you, we ask those questions to the doctor. So this is a great point where Enkel plays a role. And apart from that, we don't have connection with thousands of hospitals. What we have strategic partners with the hospitals where is it needed. So we are very, very focused on specific specialty hospital. If we are speaking about cancer, we have cancer only specific cancer hospital. If we are speaking about heart, it's the same. If we are speaking about stem cells, we have one of the finest stem cell centers run by doctors. So it all depends on what you are trying to achieve. The only thing what we need is your set of questions, your set of queries, what you are looking forward to get the answer from the doctor. So this will help us to help you to make your medical treatment journey much more smoother. I look forward to help you guys. This is Partha from Enkel. You have a great day. Take care.